In a small town, whispers of a legendary thunderbird echoed through the streets. Locals claimed it was a massive bird with wings that could block out the sun. One stormy night, a group of friends ventured into the woods, hoping to catch a glimpse. As lightning cracked the sky, they saw a shadowy figure soaring above. Terrified, they ran back, but one friend stayed behind, entranced. The next day, he returned with a feather, larger than any bird known. Twist, the feather was from a species thought extinct for centuries. Like, comment and subscribe for more stories like this.